What is up, everybody? Welcome back. So as you can tell in that first little clip, I paint matched the shark fin antenna. I'm super hyped with how it came out. It's not perfect, so I might fix it when I fix the wing or spoiler, but honestly, I'm hyped with how it turned out. I think it looks dope paint matched. But as you can tell by the title of the video, we're gonna go for like a good cruise through some like canyon roads, I guess you could say. They're not too far from my house, so we're gonna go have a little fun. But after, when I get back, we're gonna have to fix my window, because as you can see, I got the GoPro mounted up. I rolled my window down and straight pulled it off the tracks. Rookie mistake. I can't believe I just did that. So I literally just had to pull my door panel off and put it like back up onto the tracks. I have to undo some bolts and tighten them up. So when I get back home, I'll probably end off the video with that. But stay tuned, you guys, and we're gonna go have a little bit of fun. So yeah. Town of Estacada. No, actual like road is kind of just the whole road that's I'm on, but we're gonna go back this way. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're gonna go back that way, and that way is kind of cool as well. But yeah. Notice that the road is closed up ahead still. It's been closed for so long. That's whack. I don't know how well you guys can hear me, but yeah. The last time I came out here, my turbo blew. So I'm here to redeem myself. I'm just coming for a good cruise. I'm praying to God and the car gods that nothing happens. Here goes, I guess. But it's beautiful out here. I love this road. We're kind of just on our way to North Fork Reservoir. If you guys know where I'm at, shout out to y'all. Here comes an insane view. grab a couple little cinematics, and then we're gonna cruise back. So yeah, just stay tuned, you guys. And we'll get a couple more good rips in there. Honestly, I love the car so far. Stage 2, pretty much full bolt-ons. All I need is an intercooler, and she's full bolt-on. But it definitely rips, dude. Nothing. So I'm gonna take this out, that little thing and that little thing, and you roll the window down, and then there should be the two, like, you get it to where these line up with the bolt holes. But yeah, you guys will see. I'm gonna set the camera down and try and get this done for you guys real quick. And just like that, we have our window functions again. Alrighty, y'all, that is gonna wrap up today's video. I had fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just can't believe that happened to me. Rookie mistake, bro. I straight had my GoPro on the window and rolled my window down. I'm hyped that I got it fixed, but let you guys in on a little secret. Sport Shifters kit is done, and it's gonna be on its way in the next few days, you guys, and I cannot wait. So thank you all who tuned in to today's video, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.